Hello, and welcome to this American Valve training video. Today, we will learn how to download, install, and set up the applications required to connect to the American Valve ERP. There are three things that are required to follow along with today's tutorial. The first is a PC with an internet connection. The second is the American Valve inline file. And the third is the eTerm installation file. You should already have the two files that are required. If there are any issues, please reach out to itsupport@americanvalve.com and we will be happy to assist. All right, if you have the three things we need, let's go ahead and get started. The ERP application we will be using is Epicor Eclipse. The text-based version we are using is called eTerm. But before we can connect to eTerm, we need to make sure that we have our VPN connection. So for that, we will install OpenVPN Connect. With your browser, navigate to openvpn.net. And you should find the Client Connect VPN for Windows page. Here, you want to download the current version of OpenVPN Connect. All right, once you have the file downloaded, you want to go ahead and run the installation. Now that OpenVPN Connect is installed, we need to configure it using the inline file provided. You can click the arrows here to get to the main screen, agree to the terms and services, press OK here, and we are going to use the file method. Simply drag the American Valve inline file, and we are ready to put in the credentials. You should have been provided your username and password. Again, if there's any issues, please reach out to itsupport@americanvalve.com. After putting in your username and password, if you have the Save Password option checked, it will just be a one-click sign-on. You don't actually need to remember the password and put it in each time. Make sure that's only done on a computer that you know is secure. All right, after connected, we see the connection stats. We are connected to the American Valve VPN. This will now allow us to connect to the ERP. Next, we will run the eTerm setup exe and install eTerm. We can go ahead and launch eTerm and log in for the first time. The first time you open eTerm, you will be presented with the Configure Communications window. The communications port needs to be set to Network Telnet. The host is 192.168.128.4.